Imagine a world where every decision is a dice roll, every choice a spin of the wheel. Welcome to the exhilarating realm of probability, where certainty is a myth, and every moment teeters on the edge of chance. Our adventure begins in ancient Greece, where philosophers pondered the nature of fate and fortune. They observed the fickle winds of chance, but had no tools to quantify their musings. It wasn't until the 16th century that Girolamo Cardano, an Italian polymath and gambler, took the first bold step. He began to document the outcomes of dice throws, seeking patterns in the chaos. Cardano's insights laid the groundwork for probability theory, transforming gambling from a game of luck to a field of study. Fast forward to the 17th century, and we find ourselves in a lively correspondence between two great minds, Blaise Pascal and Pierre de Fermat. They were asked to solve a perplexing problem involving a game of dice that was interrupted. How should the stakes be divided? Their discussions gave birth to the mathematical theory of probability, unveiling the hidden structures governing randomness. Suddenly, the unpredictable became a little more predictable. Our journey then takes a detour through the smoky parlors of the Enlightenment era, where probability found a new champion in the form of Thomas Bayes. Bayes' theorem, a revolutionary concept, allowed for updating probabilities as new evidence emerged. This dynamic approach to probability meant that we could constantly refine our predictions, adapting to the ever-changing world. Bayes' work remained in obscurity until Pierre-Simon Laplace recognized its potential, propelling it to the forefront of mathematical thought. As we venture further into the 20th century, probability starts to wield its influence in diverse fields. In physics, it helps explain the behavior of particles at the quantum level, where certainty dissolves into a cloud of probabilities. In genetics, it illuminates the patterns of inheritance, revealing the dance of genes across generations. Economists harness probability to forecast markets, while meteorologists predict the whims of the weather. But probability's reach extends beyond the ivory towers of academia. It infiltrates our daily lives, guiding decisions big and small. Consider the simple act of crossing the street. We unconsciously calculate the probability of making it safely based on the speed of oncoming cars and the distance to the other side. When we invest in stocks or plan for retirement, we navigate a sea of probabilities, weighing risks against potential rewards.